Welcome to our channel. If you want to create a subdomain on SiteGround using cPanel, follow these step-by-step instructions to set up a separate section of your website. Step 1. Log into your SiteGround account at siteground.com and navigate to My Accounts to view all your hosting services. Step 2. Click on Go to cPanel next to the hosting account where you want to create the subdomain. This will open the cPanel interface in a new tab. Step 3. In cPanel, scroll down to the Domains section and click on Subdomains. This tool allows you to create and manage subdomains for your main domain. Step 4. In the subdomain field, enter the prefix you want to use for your subdomain, such as blog, shop, or support. This will create blog.yourdomain.com. Step 5. Select your main domain from the drop-down menu if you have multiple domains hosted. The subdomain will be created under the selected parent domain. Step 6. The document root field will automatically populate with a suggested folder path like /public_html/subdomain. You can change this if you want the subdomain files in a different location. Step 7. Click Create to generate your subdomain. cPanel will automatically create the necessary DNS records and folder structure for your new subdomain. Step 8. Wait a few minutes for DNS propagation. You can then access your subdomain by typing subdomain.yourdomain.com in your browser or upload files to the subdomain folder via FTP. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.